Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing today, and it is the Weekender edit. I had to look at the sticker on the box. It's the Weekender edit, so it's gonna be like loungy kind of wear, like maybe some workout wear, which I don't do. But I wanted to try it, so I've been really just doing like all their themed edit boxes lately, and yeah, we're gonna try them out. If you want to try Wantable, I'm going to leave my referral link down below and you can click on that and check them out. They're usually good for at least one item in their box. They send 7 items. There's going to be more about Wantable down below in the description, so you can check it out. But we have our bundle, so let's take a look. Styled for Rachel. Alright, so she's fallen out a little bit. But look at it. It's like kind of... Everything feels really soft so far from just touching it. But it's kind of like a soft palette with that bright kind of berry color in there. So let's get into it. Okay. So they have the items with the prices, and then they have, "Hi Rachel, so happy you've picked the limited time Weekender edit. It's perfect for planning your next getaway or stocking up on oh so comfy summer styles. This collection is packed with pieces that fit and flatter. Trust me, you'll want to wear them every single weekend and beyond. Hope you love your low-key looks and can't wait to hear what you think. Enjoy, Maggie." So we'll keep that aside because that has the prices and things on it. We'll put it over there. Has your return mailer, so you can mail everything back that you don't want to keep. And yeah, all right. First up, we have some shorts. Those are actually kind of cute. They don't look like pajama shorts like those other ones they sent me previously. And they have some pockets, so that's nice. They feel really nice, actually. They are by Z Supply. We know how I feel about Z Supply, but they're 100% cotton, so don't shrink them. But those are kind of nice. I like shorts that are, you know, not pajama bottoms. This is so soft. This is like a nice light pink tie-dye sweater. Look at that texture. This is like super brushed, knit, fleecy softness. Let's get the light back. There we are. So that's really soft. I mean, it's gonna be expensive because it's so soft. And we have, oh, it's like a cardigan with a hood on it. I'm not a huge hood person, but it also has pockets. So that's kind of nice, I guess, for just lounging. You don't, you know, it's a berry color. It's very beautiful. And we have, okay, just a white tank top. Oh, the back is where it's at. Look at that cute back. You could put like a cute bralette kind of on, and then have that back just open. It's kind of cute. But at the end of the day, it is just a white tank top, and it's probably expensive. So these are so soft. This is a nice, like, soft edit. Okay, oh, I like you. Okay, these are joggers. They're so soft. They have pockets as well. I'll go over the like brands and the prices at the end. Look at that cute little pocket detail. Oh, my arm hurts. My arm hurts today. You can guess why if you want to, but I'm not here for political things. But my arm hurts today. These are also by Z Supply, and they are like sweatpants as well, but they're tie-dye. And they have kind of like a magenta on the bottom. These don't feel as nice as those other ones do though, but I do love a tie-dye. And they have pockets too. Cute. And lastly, we have another tank top, ooh, with a cool back. So that's kind of neat. This is by Threads for Thought, so it feels nice. Expensive, I'm sure. Wantable is a pricier box, you guys know this. All right, let's try everything on. We got some cute outfits to put together. Here's the first outfit. Sorry if the lighting's a little weird. It's raining today and there's not much sunshine going on. Here's the first tank top. It's a really pretty color. It feels nice. It'd be good for like a workout, I think, but we don't do that here. Here's the back. I did leave just my cami on under it because I already had it on. But it's really cute. It has a really cute cutout. I think that's nice. You can see. So yeah, if you enjoy working out, whatever, it's really pretty color. Really like that kind of lavender. And then let's pan down. These sweatpants, I wouldn't call them joggers. I'd call them more sweatpants. They're really comfy. They have nice elastic waist there. There's no like string or anything. They're really comfy. They do have elastic on the bottom at your ankle, and they have pockets, which we all enjoy. Who doesn't enjoy a pocket? Yeah, I think they're cute. They're probably expensive though for what they are, you know. But the tie-dye is cute. Alright, let's try on something else. This top is so soft. I feel like a fluffy little marshmallow in it. It's so soft. Like, it's amazing. Again, the texture is just like that fleece. It is just the softest thing. These joggers are also cute. They feel a lot nicer than the other ones. The other ones were a little bit rough, but they are kind of see-through. I'll show you. I'll show you briefly. They are a little bit see-through, you know, with the color and everything. I think if they were in a darker color, it'd be fine, and I would enjoy them more. I like the color of them, but it's just, you know, they're just a little too see-through for my liking. But they're really comfy. They have pockets. I like them. I don't know about this sweater. I know it's really, really soft and cozy and comfy. I have a black dog, so like these lighter color, you know, soft materials are like, her dog hairs over everything. I know this is gonna get interwoven with all her dog hairs. But it's so, 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 so soft. If you have a light colored animal or no animals at all, I highly recommend this soft, soft sweater. Okay, we have a 3 for try on. We have 3 things on. Okay, first up, this is kind of cute. I really like the color. I don't think it's too like matronly, I don't know, as a hood. Be nice to just throw on and go outside and, you know, close up the chickens for the night, because I have chickens. And you have to close the door every night so predators don't get in. It's kind of cute. It has pockets. They're nice, like, lined pockets. It's kind of nice. It's long. Covers your shorts. I don't know. We'll see how much this one is. Because, again, at the end of the day, I mean, it's a cardigan with hood, so I don't like to pay a lot of money for things. But it does feel really nice quality. So, there's that. And then we have a tank top, which, again, at the end of the day, it's a white tank top. But here's the back. I don't know which way to turn. It's pretty cute. But, you know, you would have to wear like a bralette or something, and your bralette's going to show through the front part because you can see my cami under this, and I'm not about that life. Again, maybe if it were in a darker color and didn't see things, but it is cute. And then finally we have the shorts, which I actually really like. I think they're nice. They have a nice stretchy elastic there. They have pockets, they're a good length. You can just throw them on, especially in the summertime. I don't have a lot of just like soft shorts. I have a lot of denim shorts, but I think these are nice, and they're kind of neutral with like the dark gray and the, you know, gold polka dots or whatever. Are they polka dots? Yeah, they're kind of like a, I don't know, misshapen polka dots kind of thing. Yeah, I think those are cute. The shorts might be the winner. So let's go over the prices and we'll see how, you know, broken my heart gets from how expensive things are, I guess. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you like these kind of videos, go ahead and push that subscribe button. It's somewhere down there. You'll find it. It's red. It's down there somewhere. Okay, prices. Let's see. Okay, so the Carter, the shorts are by Z Supply. They're the Carter Dot Cotton Short in wash black, so dark gray. In XL, $46. $46 for shorts, you know. I already paid my $20 styling fee, so that'll go towards that, and I paid $26 more. I think I'm gonna keep them. The really soft white and pink tie-dye is by Geely, and it's the LS tie-dye pullover in blush, $58. The Restful Hoodigan, that's cute. The Restful Hoodigan in raspberry by Skechers, $59. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. It was really nice though, it felt really nice, so I think that's probably an appropriate price for it, but I'm okay right now. I like the shorts. The Electric Tank in white, $48 by Glider. I'm gonna glide right past them. No. And the Coastal Jogger in Heather Wood Rose by Balance Collection is $65. Those are the kind of see-through-y ones. Another Z Supply, the Atlas Boyfriend Tie-Dye Jogger in Sahara, $69 for some sweatpants. No, thank you. And the Threads for Thought Shea Keyhole Tank in Heather Mauve Dust, $38. So the box total is $383. If you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off, which I feel like Wantable is one of the worst boxes with their discounts. Like, I feel like if you keep 3 or more, I mean, because they send you 7 items. So I feel like if you keep 3 or more, you should get like 15%. If you keep 5 or more, you should get like 25%, something like that, you know, like more of an incentive to keep things. Then I would keep more things. So yeah, if you keep 5 or more, $76.60 off of that, making the order subtotal $306.40 minus the $20 I paid for my styling fee. So $286.40 would be the whole total of the box. It wasn't a bad box. Everything was really comfy. It's just the prices for me. It's the prices for me. But I am gonna keep these shorts because like I said, I don't have a lot of like soft shorts. And look, it even has a cute little like ruffle detail right there at the seam. So if you did want to tuck in something, or you could wear this over a bathing suit or something. I think they're really cute. I like them. So that was the Wantable box. You guys, we did it. It's done. Go home. You're still here? No, that's from, you know what that's from, Ferris Bueller's Day Off, am I right? If you haven't watched it, watch it. That's my PSA for Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.